Hi, I'm Jason Moreno with Velocity Sports Performance. Today we're going to show you how to measure an athlete's efficiency rating. To start, we measure a vertical jump to see how much power an athlete is producing for one repetition. To get the measurement, we have to use a jump mat. Next, we have to get a forward jump, which is accomplished by doing 4 maximum effort jumps as quickly as possible. Dividing the athlete's forward jump into his one jump will give us a percentage. A higher percentage will tell us the athlete is producing more force consistently, while a lower percentage will tell us his performance is beginning to falter after extended work. For more tips on how to become a better athlete, visit your nearest Velocity Sports Performance. Until next time, I'm Jason Moreno.